Hello everyone, welcome back to our video channel. I'm Thu Nguyễn from Vietnamvisaonarrival. In this video, I will tell you briefly update about Vietnamvisaonarrival. As you may know, before COVID, getting a Vietnam visa on arrival to Vietnam is so simple. You just need to submit a visa request at any website of Vietnam visa on arrival through a visa agency in Vietnam, and you wait for a few days, maybe 1 or 2 working days or even some hours to get the visa approval letter approved. Then you can fly into Vietnam, collect the stamped visa upon arrival. But forget about it now, because right now to get a visa on arrival to Vietnam is so complicated after COVID. So for the information, right now, in order to get a Vietnam visa approved letter, then you need to have a company in Vietnam to sponsor you. First, if you travel to Vietnam on tourism purpose, then the travel agency in Vietnam will be the sponsor. And how to let them to be the sponsor? You must book the full tour package with the travel agency in Vietnam, and then they will take the responsibility as the sponsor. They will submit all necessary documents. They will submit all necessary documents like the flight ticket, the hotel booking, the itinerary during the trip in Vietnam. Then they submit the document to immigration department. If you meet the requirement, then a visa approval letter will be issued. Afterwards, you can fly into Vietnam. And mind you that if before the tourist visa may last from 1 month to 3 months, but now the tourist visa validity just depends on the itinerary in Vietnam. Example, if the tour itinerary in Vietnam just lasts for 10 days, then accordingly, the Vietnam visa approval letter will be granted for 10 days only. And what if you come to Vietnam for business purpose? Then the same thing applied. You need a sponsor for the business purpose. Let's say that you come to Vietnam to meet the business partner, maybe a company, a factory. Then the company in Vietnam will act as the sponsor. They will need to submit all necessary documents like the working plan in Vietnam, what are you going to do in this place, that place, and several documents from the company like the business license, the authorization letter, that sorts of things. Then they will submit to the immigration. If the visa is granted, then you will receive a visa approval letter from the immigration. Accordingly, you can get the visa upon arrival, and for some case, you are required to contact the Vietnam embassy in the place to get a visa sticker on the passport before you leave for Vietnam. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button below to get more updates from our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you till next time.